When you were installing the product, how did the RTI system install for you versus our competitors?
To be completely honest with you, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, just pretty much drop it on the roof, set it up, and hook power to it, and maybe set a couple dip switches according to the book. But other than that, man, it goes on super quick, super easy.
The Ecoer Rooftop Unit RTI is the ultimate solution for fast, hassle-free installation. With its advanced technology and smart features, Ecoer RTI streamlines the setup process, allowing HVAC professionals to install systems quicker than ever before.
I mean, they're super easy to configure. It's all in the book. Manual's right there, gives you all the list of everything. So if you need to change something, it's super simple.
How does the app work? How was the app and user interface to where you can bring up all of our information? Was it pretty easy to find stuff?
Oh, dude, it was unreal. Like, instead of having to dig through the books or go ask the customer, hey man, you got a book for it? Hey dude, you got this for it? You got that for it? It's all right there. There's only one book for all of them. I mean, I guess two because it's rooftops and whatnot, but super simple. It's all right there on the app. You can configure everything. Most of the settings you can change from the app itself, so you don't even have to come out here half the time. And if anything else, it'll tell you what's wrong with it, so you can get your parts in your van and not have to come out and come back and do 1,000 other things. It's super simple, man.
Yeah,
it's
it's a really nice feature to be able to know what's wrong with it and have the part to come out and fix it instead of making 2 trips here, potentially, if we don't have everything. Because we obviously don't have every part on the van that is in here.
Yeah, I can only carry so much stuff.
That's nice.